Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-PMX7 CD player stereo system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this stereo not connecting, or if the CDs are not playing or not ejecting, if it's not making sound, if the buttons are not responding, a hard reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to wipe all of the memory and settings off of it and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box for whatever reason, we can do this really simply. All we need to do is start by just unplugging it from the wall and waiting at least 3 minutes. After we've unplugged it from the wall and waited at least 3 minutes, we're just going to come in and find the power button and press and hold the power button and then plug it in, just keeping our finger on the power button and keeping our eye on this display here. And then just keep holding the power button until the display just displays a bunch of dashes all across the display, indicating that the reset is complete, at which point you can go ahead and release the power button and go ahead and set this up like a brand new device.